Hi student, this is class 3rd, chapter number 8. The name of this subject is moral science. You know, moral science is a subject in which we can score more. It is a very easy subject. It is dependent on our daily activities, daily life activities. Okay, so I am going to read this chapter, discuss chapter number 8. The name of this chapter is Look Before You Leap. So first I want to explain what is mean by look before you leap. Here is one word, leap. So leap word, jump at a great height. Okay, if we think that what is mean of leap, jump at a great height. And another meaning of this word is quick movement or quick movement without thinking. So think before you leap. The full sentence, full proverb mean think carefully before taking action. So students, when we are doing daily life, we are doing so lot of work, different work we are doing, but we are not thinking about the work and we are starting this work. So at the end we are getting different kind of result. So we have to think before doing any kind of action. Okay, it is a famous proverb. It indicates that whether we must be done after thinking enough. When we are doing any work, we have to think enough, then we have to do for this action. Okay, see in the PPT, man is thinking, he is putting finger on the mind, hand, forehead, means he is thinking. We should think twice and thrice before doing any action. When we are doing like this, then our result will be correct or accurate. See, this man, he is looking in front of computer. Okay, always remember, life is not a computer. In a computer we can undo. Okay, there is a button in computer that is called undo. Whatever the things we can repeat. Okay, whatever the action we done, with the help of undo button and do command, we can go back of this step. But remember, in life we have not undo button. Life is not a computer. Okay, our life has not undo button. You are all familiar with the computer. There is one button, undo. So life is having not undo button. So we have to think. When we are doing without any thinking action, later we will realize our mistake. Look at the PPT. The man, he is thinking at the question mark front and back also. That means he is realizing their mistake. What I did. So I got this result. Okay, here there is one story, the fox and goat. You can look in the PPT. I think half of the idea you will get what is going on in this story. Two wells are there, and goat and fox are both in the well. So in the first well, fox is inside and goat is outside. In second well, fox is outside jumping and goat is inside the well. So what is the story actually? See, once upon a time a fox fell into well. Okay, he tried his best to come out, but unfortunately his tried failed because no one is there for helping there to get out from the well. And what happened next day? A goat came that she peeped into the well to see if there is some water. She saw the fox inside. You can see the goat is watching in the well and the fox is inside the well. So next, what do you think there, Mr. Fox? Asked the goat. Goat asked questions. What are you doing there? And what fox replied that I want to drink water. There is a good water, tasty water. You come and drink water. And without thinking anything, God also jumped inside. Okay, you know, when there is a well, no one is helping, though you have to remain inside the well. Okay, so same this happened with the goat also. No, you can see fox and goat both are inside the well, because fox said there is a very tasty sweet water is there, come and drink water, we will enjoy in the water. So no, both the goat and fox are inside the well. Next, the fox tried, they were talking inside that this is good water and drink, I enjoyed here. But no, the fox said, I have an idea, stand on your hind leg, I want to climb over the head and get out. Okay, no, fox want to get out because that is why he was this fox was telling that this is good water, this is good water, but got unable to understand his internal thinking. So what happened now? Next, goat stand on the leg and fox jumped over the goat, and now fox is outside from the well. Okay, no, goat is only inside. What happened there? No, there now she is realizing that why I did this, why I did this, why I have to do my work only. No, but she was unable to understand the internal thinking of the fox. No, she is inside. So student, see, life has not undo button. Now got in inside, she cannot do anything. She is remain inside the well. So thing like this, we are doing any action, we have to think twice and thrice to do any action, because life has not undo button. Whatever we are doing, it will be remain in our life. So what is the moral of the story? We should think both positive and negative aspect before doing anything. There is a moral also. Before, we should think before both the positive and negative aspect before doing any action. Then will be our good result. Okay student, in the exercise there is one question. What do you mean by this proverb? Okay, it indicates that we must think twice and thrice. It is the moral science. It is in the PPT I give this answer. It indicates that we must think twice and thrice to do any action. Okay, here it is. We think twice and thrice before doing any action. How life is different from a computer. In computer we have undo button, okay, but our life has not undo button. Clear? Okay, so next there is exercise also, true false. You have to read this chapter thoroughly and get answer of particular exercise, particular true false, and fill in the blanks also. Student, in your term there is one prayer also, Our Father prayer. Okay, morning when we are coming, we are speaking this Our Father prayer. You are all familiar with Our Father prayer. It is on your diary also. So you have to do this homework, Our Father prayer, on your notebook. Thanks for watching this video. Try to watch this video and solve the exercise. If you have any queries, you can give in comment box. Thank you.